Welcome guys, back here NSFTech. Today I'm gonna show about string type variables in Python. And also thank you very much guys to help me out reach 300 subscribers. And as I want to thank you guys, so I just make a giveaway of um, wall desktop wallpaper. You can just grab it in my Patreon page, or I just leave the link in the description. So I again thank you very much guys, you helped me a lot in my journey. Okay, you know about number type variables if you watch the previous part of my series. So basically string type variables are variables that can hold letters or any character. There is no more about to tell in strings. Is really simple. You can use single quoted marks. With single quoted marks, it's allowed to use double quoted marks. And the same thing happens in the other side. Double quoted marks allow single quotes. But what if you want to use both of them? Solution is using single triple quoted marks. Just type like this, and there's another method called triple double quoted marks, which is right as this. And there's a special function in that too, that is it allows multiple lines. So if you type like this and if you press enter, it won't be given another command line, so you can put infinite amount of lines until you put triple double quote marks again. Also, if you print that, it will align those lines accordingly. Okay, now we are going to talk about string methods. Unlike in number type variables, in strings you can access each of the letters individually, and that's what the string method does. And before I start, I like to open another window because you will get messy with the before one. So, and yes, and we open that, and as like before, just declare a variable. It's really simple. And I just put x equals hello world and type this line of code. So let me explain this. You get output as L, and that means it gives the third character of the string. I'll show another example, and you'll get E, but you might have think the first letter is H, and why it prints E? That's because Python counts the first one as 0, and then 1 means the second letter. And so I will show the rest with some graphical presentation. Type print x, open square brackets, and 1:4, and you'll get all the letters between 1 and 4th character. Next one is so copy the above one, and instead of 1:4, type :3 in the brackets, and this prints the first 3 characters. This one is opposite of that. It prints all the characters except first 3. And you'll know what this does. It prints the last 3 characters, and this one prints all except last 3. That's about some basic string methods. Now let's go further. I will make a new variable for this, but I put some spaces in the beginning and end. Also, if I print that, it will keep those spaces too. Let's write this function. So type print x.strip, and you'll get the output without any spaces in beginning and end. That's why I put some spaces to it. With the help of the next method, you'll get letter count of that string. Type print in the brackets len, and open another brackets, and type your variable name, which is x, and press enter, and it prints the output as an integer. The next method will print string in simple format. Just you have to do is type print x.lower and pressing the enter key. So just like you smash to that enter key, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It really helps me a lot. Please do that. So this will print all the letters in capital format. Next method is very common and useful one. So type print x.replace and open another brackets, and type world inside double quotation marks and put a comma, and then type any text. I just put Python inside double quoted marks, and the output will be hello Python instead of world. I think you get that. I don't know this is useful, but I teach that. If you type print x.split and open brackets and put O inside double quoted marks, you'll get a weird output like hell WRLD, and it will be split the string into substrings by the given letter. The next one is pretty much fun. Did you know you can multiply strings? Just type print x star and 5, and it will be print hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world, and hello world. And this is a recommendation from me. If you didn't watch my previous tutorial, the first Python tutorial, make sure to watch that too. You get basic knowledge about this. Not only that, but also you can add strings. I make a new variable called y equals and Python, and type print x plus y, and output will be hello world and Python. And the final and the most cool method is the terminal input. You have to make a new variable, and I type var equals input and open pair of brackets and type enter the text or whatever thing inside double quoted marks. And if you smash that enter key, boom, it will ask you to enter any text. You can literally type anything in here and press enter, and if you print that, you will get the text you had just typed. And that's pretty much into this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit that like button and smash the red sub button. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye.